Hello everyone, I am Mr. Mohammad Tayyab Khan from the city of Mumbai, which is located in Maharashtra. I passed out my 12th standard in electronics. I completed my graduation from Mumbai, but due to some reasons, I could not continue in studies. So therefore, I continued with my dad's business, which is located in Mumbai only. This business is mostly about automobile industry. So as in the growing industry in India, automobile industry, and the new revolution which has come, which the car is totally dependent on electronics and its circuits. So I thought, you can get a greater change in it by knowing all the software and hardware which is located in the car. So henceforth, to learn about it, to get an upgradation in the business, I chose to join Purnima Autometer. Henceforth, I contacted them on the internet, I surfed it, and I joined here since last 15 days, as if I was not able to know whatever that it is. You have a very big problem if you don't know anything related to it. But the staff here, the professors here are so cordial and so enthusiastic in helping you, so confident that even a newcomer, if he joins Purnima Autometer, surely when he leaves from here, he'll be a very good technician as well as an engineer. So even with me, the case was same. I did not know what is the ECM, what is an APS, what is a digital meter, how it works, what is the hardware, what is the software, what are the components called. By joining here, I came to know each and everything so clearly that it has faded into my computer permanently. So now it's easy to rectify whatever the components are, what are the parts are, how we can find out the problem in it and how can we solve in it. When I joined 15 days before, I did not know anything, but now in the process, I have learned to solder the products, to desolder the products, to open a digital meter, to open the ECM, to copy its software, to read its data, to transfer it from one ECM to the another, to save it. This all stuff I've learned, and I'm on the last stage of the ECM tracking system, where you come to know how to track the lines, to track the parts of the ECM, and how we can whether the line is cut, so you can clear it out, sort it out, whatever the problem of the ECM is. My practical exam is remaining right now. So please, if you want to pursue this in your career or anything like this in business, and one thing I forgot to tell you all, you don't require any education background to join Purnima Autometer. It's whether up to your interest if you want to do it or no. If you want to just join it and learn about this industry, so please join Purnima Autometer. Thank you.